the most exciting, the most amusing, the stickiest. Welcome to my show. I'm Calcetony, and this is Extreme Toys! Hooray! Excited to see what we'll be watching today? Yes! Let's spin the wheel! Woohoo! Spin and stop! Time for a sticky clip. All right! Yeah! AJ, Blaze, and Crusher are revving up for a slime-filled competition. Blaze and AJ go first. Don't let it fall, Blaze! It's a treacherously bumpy road, but Blaze has everything under control. Incredible!
All right!
Now it's Crusher's turn.
Out of the way! Coming through! Nothing's gonna slow me down!
Crusher is going too fast!
Oh, this isn't going to end well.
Watch out, Crusher! They don't call it the perilous bumpy road for nothing, my friend. Oh no! Crusher has lost a lot of slime! Want to watch that again?
Yes! Whoa! Ah! No, my slime!
Wow! That was a super sticky clip! Let's see what's next. Yes! Super adventures! How exciting! Let's watch! Ah, what a relaxing summer day. Yep, except for that. What? Cocodrilo? That crocodile is huge! Lorelai, you distract Bonnie while we jump on the crocodile's back. Claro, Capitán. Arr! Vamos, Tomás. Looks like Santi and Tomás have made a new friend. Aww. Nice move, Capitán. Vamos, piratas! Woohoo! What an amazing team! They're ready to win any water skiing competition. That was quite the awesome pirate adventure, am I right, mateys? Spin the wheel!
All right!
Spin and spin, spin and stop! Super surprises! Our most mysterious category. Press play! It's the claw machine! What toy do you think we'll grab? So exciting! Wow! It's Blue! Hi, Blue! Hi, Magenta! Wanna play hide and seek with Blue and Magenta? Let's close our eyes while Magenta hides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! I don't see Magenta here. Let's keep looking. Magenta isn't here either. But how about a snack? Wait, we have to find Magenta! Did you see Magenta? Really? Where? Yes! Great job! You found Magenta! What a fun super surprise! Let's spin the wheel again! Where will it land? Super musicals! Press play! Let's dance with my squishy little dumplings! Don't stop the party! Everyone on the spot get loco! Pop up and down like a yo-yo! Music so loud no comprendo! We love that bola de masa! La 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 la! La 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 la! Woo! La 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 la! Bola de masa! Pineapple and ice cream! They about to join the team. Yes, we about to cause a scene. We love that bola de masa. Pineapple and ice cream. Yum, they about to join the team. We about to cause a scene. We love that bola de masa. Friends, we have reached the end of the show. Don't forget to clean your toys after playing, especially if they're full of slime! I'm Calcetony, and this has been Extreme Toys!
Goodbye!
Calcetony, Calcetony, I'm Calcetony, 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 yo soy Calcetony, Calcetony, Calcetony.
Ask your parents to subscribe to the Toymation YouTube channel.